And lots of people have said, asked about the difference between why did Prairie Mountain Health and their level orange seem to quickly get on top of things, and it seems to be harder here in Winnipeg.
In the early days of the pandemic, Winnipeggers were living with low infection rates and minimal community spread. Since the middle of September, Manitoba has recorded as many new cases of COVID-19 as it did during the previous 6 months, and death rates are increasing as well. Cynthia Carr is an epidemiologist. Inspired by the Harvard Global Health Institute, Carr started tracking COVID data put out by Health Canada to chart the 7-day average of new COVID-19 cases in various health regions across the country. Carr graphed the data, which revealed how COVID cases can spike in a short period of time, but also it showed COVID numbers can be brought down again just as quickly.
In August, there's a sudden increase in average numbers of new cases per 100,000 residents in a very specific time period, and then it goes back down again. Prairie Mountain Health was a very obvious cluster, but not a lot of community-based spread, and what we're seeing in Winnipeg is a combination of both.
Carr says Winnipeg is dealing with COVID-19 clusters, a growing community spread issue, and increasing complexity when it comes to contact tracing the virus. When COVID-19 numbers spiked in the Prairie Mountain Health region, public health knew where the cases came from and how to stop community spread, resulting in a quickly flattened curve. Carr says initially national numbers on community spread showed 61% of cases had a known contact and 34% didn't. But unfortunately, in the last few weeks, she says those numbers have basically flipped, with more people contracting COVID and less people knowing where they are getting it from, which is what makes community tracing that much harder.
Which is showing this very steady and obvious increase that we're not getting back on top of, even though we've had this orange level of alert for over 2 weeks now.
Carr isn't suggesting our province move to phase red, but she is suggesting Manitobans and all Canadians download the government's COVID-19 alert app. It's a quick way for you to know if you have been in close contact with the COVID virus, and the more people who get it, the better it will work. In Winnipeg, Mark Neufeld, City News.